In this video, we want to show how a shadow profile with tile is attached to the wall, and when we also have tile laid on the floor. There should be porcelain stoneware laid on the floor. The porcelain stoneware should fit as closely as possible to the wall. This is necessary so that when we install the shadow profile, it will be placed on top of the porcelain stoneware. Our profile is already installed. It is mounted with tile adhesive and leveled. The profile is joined at 90 degrees simply by cutting it at a 45-degree angle with a standard trimming saw. And next, we will show how the wall cladding is applied on top. To avoid excess adhesive, it is necessary to wipe off any surplus with a damp cloth immediately after installing the shadow profile. For extra reliability, it is advisable to place supports under the profile to ensure that the profile does not come loose. This is especially important when using large format tiles up to 3 meters, as these tiles are heavy and can still bend or deform the shadow profile. So we have installed the profile, we have mounted the tile on the wall, and this is what the final result looks like. At the bottom, we have a black shadow line, that is, a shadow gap. On top, we have the same tile as on the floor. This looks as minimalist and architectural as possible.